Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, is it a case of the above the laws are now under the law is the question that we're asking in the Nigerian firmament. So with that guys, I bring you this. Police detain Koza Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo at Force headquarters. So that's the headline. Police detain Koza Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo at Force headquarters. So now let's find out exactly what's happened to Biodun, the by force man. Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo, senior pastor and founder of the Commonwealth of Zion Assembly Koza, is currently being detained at Nigerian Police Force headquarters in Abuja after he surrendered himself for questioning over allegations leveled against him by Mrs. Dakolo. It's a very short story, so let me just read the remaining paragraphs to you. Mrs. Dakolo, wife of Nigeria's inspirational singer Timi Dakolo, had accused Fatoyinbo of an encounter with her many years ago, allegation that had elicited comments from Nigerians. News Agency of Nigeria gathered that Fatoyinbo is being questioned at Force Criminal Investigation Department (FCID) headquarters in Abuja by a team of 4 officers led by Assistant Commissioner of Police Adaku Uche Anya. Adaku Uche Anya, so an Igbo person, Adaku Uche Anya. So now, Fatoyinbo has now presented himself to the Olokpas in Abuja, and the Olokpas in Abuja said, thank you very much, here is a little room for you, you'll be staying with us for a short while, or that short while may well translate into a long while. So now, it looks as though now, this is, by the way, Mrs. Buhari's pushing. You will recall that Mrs. Buhari has been paying particular attention to this particular matter, and she sent out a tweet a few weeks ago to the Inspector General of Police that, look, don't let this one go, because enough is enough of this kind of behavior in this country. So now this is now Mrs. Buhari pushing this thing in the background to the point that this guy is now being detained at the Force headquarters in Abuja. So power past power is what we are seeing playing out in the Nigerian firmament now. So conversations in the comment section. Biodun Fatoyinbo, I hope they hold on to him for a very long time. What says you? But before you come share your thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.